Ito'y bango. Mana ang papa.
Well, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we're playing Melon Sandbox. Oh yeah, I forgot about these two. First is this guy. This one. Oh my goodness. And then whoa. VR headset.
Welcome to Beauty Logic.
VR headset. Oh my So yeah, this is actually fun. It's VR head. It's a VR headset. Why is it too far? Wait.
Sundays, 7:15 p.m. on GTV.
Next, free candy box. Free candy. Let's just take it off. Take the candy.
Valuable discovery will lead to a dangerous quest with very unexpected allies. Pinakakita nito ang migration ng deer trap. Palabas na fantastic. Mahanap niyo ang treasure niyo sa Glacier. Unleash your inner bear and get ready for another adventure.
Wala naman pasok si Tutoy bukas. Ang Tutoy ko ah.
This Saturday, 10:30 a.m. on GTV.
I didn't know that I was going to be this Someone please help me. Okay, I'm turning it back. Oh no, turn it back.
Use Head and Shoulders every day to prevent dandruff and headache from coming back. And stay up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and Shoulders.
Turn that on. Get that to dark. Yeah. So guys, goodbye.